openSUSE Leap is the stable release version of openSUSE. Instead of receiving continuous major software changes like Tumbleweed, Leap stays on one release and mainly receives security patches, bug fixes, and carefully tested updates throughout the months or even years. Leap combines technology from SUSE Linux Enterprise with packages developed by openSUSE community. This makes it a good choice for workstations, servers, businesses, and users who prefer stability over always having the newest updates like openSUSE Tumbleweed. The current stable version of openSUSE Leap is 16.0, which was released in October 1st of 2025. It has a 24-month maintenance and security update lifecycle. A short comparison: Leap, stable release, predictable updates, older but well-tested software, when Tumbleweed, rolling release, frequent updates, newer kernel, drivers, and applications. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. This is a 5-minute video Friday.